Hi guys, today I'm going to show how to fix the pending error in Google Play Store while I try to install one of the application. So let's fix it. For that, our first step is to clear internal storage. So please enter into your security and then cleaner, and then clear all the junk and cache file in the mobile, and also make sure you have better local storage. If not, please clear the storage. And then our second step is to reset the network connection. For that, you need to enter into your mobile network and select the operator, and then again enter into the mobile network and disable the automatic select network. Once you disable the automatic select network, it starts searching the network around you, and once it's done, please select your operator. Once you selected, it shows like network is registered. After that, we are stepping into our third step. It's to clear Play Store cache data. For that, you need to long press your application, enter into the app info. At the bottom right corner you may see clear cache. Just click the clear cache and click OK. So our fourth step is to update Google service. For that, you need to enter into your Google Play Store and search for services or Google Play services, and then click enter. It shows like career services. You may also search using that. If it shows update, please update it. If not, it's not an issue. Please close the application. And our fifth step is to synchronize Google services. For that, please enter into settings and scroll down. You may see additional settings. Enter into the additional settings, and then scroll down. You may see account and synchronize. Please hit that one, and then please hit Google synchronize, or else you can make a synchronize now at the bottom. It synchronizes all the things. And our sixth step is to update the system. Enter into the settings and about phone and update your system OS. Once you updated, your system will automatically restart, and after restart, please check whether the issue is solved or not. If not, please continue the seventh step. The next step is to check the server. What we are going to do is, in this step, we are going to check the Google Play Store server. For that, you need to enter into your browser and then type for down detector, and then enter into the first link. Here you need to search for Google Play Store, or else you can search for Play Store also, it's fine. Once you done, yeah, it shows like Google and Google Play. Just enter into the Google Play, and it shows user report indicate no current problem at the Google Play. If it's indicate no problem, it's good to go. If in case it indicate any problem, you need to wait for some time to solve that. Yeah, once it's done, please restart your mobile. Either you can do force restart, or you can switch off and switch on. It's up to you. Once you restart, please check whether the application is working perfectly or not. If not, please enter into the eighth step. It's to clear all the data. For that, you need to long press and enter into the app info and clear all data. Once it's done, please check whether the issue is solved or not. I think the issue is solved. I'm just randomly checking to update to install the app. Yeah, it's installing. Thank you guys, thank you for watching. For more, subscribe TechTube.